Hey, what's up? This time I have another. I'm gonna show you like the easy way to access your computer from afar with your Android or iPhone. This time I have TeamViewer. Only have like the ID and the password. I used last time like 4 years ago, but was like computer to computer, not a phone. I tried like the last the phone was 2 months. The idea will blur it, but the password will always change. Like can click change, always gonna change. On your phone you really need like to okay, it's just ID. Then it will ask like the password on your mobile. Let's click. Okay, I'm showing here like access control on my phone of the computer. I can like control it remotely, like far away. If I have like internet. I like here 2 monitors. Will it turn on? I can change it even to the left side or the right side monitor. I can see on my computer. I like on the definitions. Also keyboard on my phone. Can write or block the computer. Can use like click. Just drag my mouse without moving. Depends on what I choose. And I leave. You can see like the mouse moving when I'm moving my controller. A second. It also have like actions quick. You can see here block the computer. Show the monitor all black. Can I put it? Let me see. It will show on the 2 monitors work security. Hit TeamViewer. I need to control Alt. Take it off. Block the computer. Imagine if I'm far away. I don't want someone to mess with my computer. I can just block. If I have like a password or something there. Click. Hold the code control. Have a keyboard. Copy paste. And pressure. Port right. Let's see. I can like expand. That's what's happened on the left side. The other on this keyboard I can write if I want it.